Hello guys, my name is Harneet Singh, and if you can see that over here in my blog I had covered a few Nasdaq stocks, and in this I covered Apple, I covered Netflix, Amazon and Facebook. I have even covered the Tesla stock over here, and over here you can see that I have mentioned the weekly support area or the weekly resistance area, which had now become the weekly support area. And after that, if we go to the daily chart, we had seen that after falling considerably it started to bounce, and after this retracement it is moving in this upward channel in this one. And over here you can see that whenever it has touched the resistance, it has again came back to the lower part of the channel. And over here now, if we go to the live chart, over here you can see that this is a weekly chart. Earlier the weekly chart was still looking fine, but right now if you will see, after this candle has made an upward wick. This is not a good sign for the bulls right now. And if we now go to the daily chart, I'll remove this one. If you will see, like I had marked, I'm just drawing it roughly over here. Like you can see, this was the upward channel and this is the support area of the lower channel. And over here if you will see, this area is a gap support, right? So over here it is already very near to its gap support. It's like it has closed at 701.75 and the gap support is in the range of 650 to 677 or 680. Right now if it doesn't take support over here in this gap, or let's say if on Monday it breaks below this gap and there is a gap down, then the next important areas that we need to look at are this way, somewhere around 580 area, and then around straight away 100 points down. There is a bit kind of support over here also around 495 500 area. So for this stock to move up again, it has to take support at these levels only, because it is an important support. But usually we can see that we have seen that the important support like these, in which there is a huge support, it generally breaks down with a gap. And if looking at this market sentiments and all, if this gap gets broken on Monday, then our next levels are clear over here. So this was just a brief overview of the stock, because I know some of my friends are from US and or they are living in Asian countries, but they do trade for the US stocks also. So this is the first time I've made any video regarding an US stock. So if anyone of you would like to see more of these kinds of videos, you can obviously reply in the comment section, and I will try to make a few more videos for the Nasdaq stocks, because basically if we see the technical analysis, everything remains the same, only the scripts, only the stocks are different. So I would be more than happy to make videos on Nasdaq stocks also, or any other stocks for that matter. Thank you.